All right, so we are almost done with our short video series about Copilot. And for our last part, before I jump into the very last part, I want to mention something I forgot to mention in the in the previous video, and is that here in the conversation starters, as you can see, there are some colors. Okay, yellow, some kind of brown, and green. So you can change those colors actually. If you click here, you can change the icon, for example, if we are looking for something relating to cooking. Let's see if we find something. If not, we can just scroll down and look for any type of icon. Okay, so as you can see, I was able to change the icon and well, the colors. It already had the colors, but I can select different one from here from the palette, and you can change the colors. Okay, now jumping to our last part. Here in model is where we select the engine. We always want to recommend ChatGPT 4.0 for, it has a superior accuracy as we can read here as well. But you can select, the one of your preference, okay? We can select, for example, if you remember in these tabs, I mentioned you can upload some data. If you have a specific file that contains some of the answers or some of the information, you can use it here to make the Copilot to look for that information right there. Okay. And here we would allow different things like web browsing, web scraping, allow the user to upload some data so that the Copilot could read it. And also we can, for example, provide AI with users location and time zone. And we can also, at the last part, remove this. As you can see down here that AI can make mistakes. You can either leave that there or just remove it, click outside the box, and boom, it was removed. Okay. Now, it's very important so that you remember that any change you make here, you want to publish to live so that the end user can see it. Okay. So that was all about our series of Copilot, short video series of Copilot. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to book a call with me, or you can join our office hours so that we can answer the questions you get to have, and we can also navigate a little bit more in our tool. Thank you for